chickens' automatic feeder is complete, and I'm about to go out and fill it up, test it out. Hope the feed comes out far enough in there for the chickens to reach it. That's the biggest part about this that I don't know yet. But got a cover for the feed part for now, so I can cover it up at night. And so I have 2 magnets at the top to hold it up, and then 6 little neodymium magnets down there, taped on with the metal tape. I was trying to hot glue them down here, where I tried hot gluing them, but they didn't stick very well, and I don't want the chickens to get the magnets, potentially swallow them or anything, so secured them up there. It holds it down pretty tight, so hopefully no rats or mice will get in there at night. And hopefully it's too high up for them to get in there, but I don't know. We'll see. And yeah, we're gonna test it out in a little bit. I made this top for the lid. Just it's the same thing the same material I used for this. It's metal roofing, and I just cut a square out and bent the ends down and taped it to, because it was sharp. Actually I made 2 bends in each side. I bent it over here as the corner, and then I bent it over on the edge to make it not sharp, but there's still some sharp spots on the corners and stuff. So I just taped it up for now with duct tape. Fits really well. So let's go try it out. Also have a window here to see how much, or to see when it starts to get low and I can refill it. This was a HVAC vent that I found on the side of the road. All these parts, this was already like a bent chutes looking sort of thing, so I put it at the bottom there, and there was already a hole here, so I had plexiglass, and I just riveted that in there and caulked around the edges with 100% silicone, and yeah, should work out fine. See how it goes.